What's up, witches? Welcome back to the channel. And if you're new, welcome. We are going to do an Inked Goddess Creations box unboxing. It is Sunday, December 8th. And I know I missed some Vlogmas days. Me and Matt were sick. And I'm starting to feel a little bit better. So I got this box this morning, even though it's on a Sunday. And I'm glad for it. So, let me move you down a little bit. All right, we're just sitting on my bed this morning. So, here it is. I already cut this. Oh, oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh, something smells good. Smelling something. All right, let's get this. I'm going to come down just a little bit more. There we go. All right, so right on the top here, get a little broom. I don't know where my glasses are. There they are. Let me read. All right, I'll read about it first, and I'll take it out and show you. This is a subscription box, and it's $35 a month. And it usually comes out the first or second, the payment, and then the box, I got it today. So, this is your altar besom, or besom, for hiding of the brooms. According to Norwegian folklore, you'll want to hide this altar besom on the way away on Christmas Eve, or you may have a drunk witch try and clean your house. This gorgeous altar besom was handmade for this box and is perfect. Besom is how I think you say it. And is perfect to keep in your sacred space for cleansing away negative energy. This is really pretty. Let's see if we can get it to you. Alright, so this is what it looks like. Very cute. Sweep away the negative energy. I love it. Alright, so the next thing is Malling Spice. A blend of cinnamon, orange peel, allspice, and cloves. Simmer 2 tablespoons per gallon of cider or wine for 30 to 40 minutes. Strain before serving. Can also be used as a cauldron simmer. So this is edible, and it sounds wonderful. And I love it that they always come in these. It's like a Ziploc. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, that's what it looks like. That smells divine. I might add that to some tea is how I'll drink it. All right. Oh, right up my alley. We got a beanie. I love beanies. All right, so third eye beanie for the Yule Cat. In Icelandic folklore, the Yule Cat hunts those who aren't wearing the new clothing they received for the holidays. We designed this third eye beanie to be a stylish, witchy addition to your winter wardrobe and to keep the wrath of the Yule Cat at bay. My grandmother used to tell a story about the Yule Cat. That was my German grandma. Well, German and Baltic. Oh, it's really soft. It's a really nice, thick beanie with the little third eye symbol. Oh, that's really cute. I will get some use out of that. All right, and then we have a, looks like a black candle. It smells lovely. This is the Krampus votive. Krampus night is on December 5th, but we couldn't have a Yuletide lore box without including him. As the dark counterpart to Santa from Central Europe, Krampus steals away naughty children to never be seen again. This votive is a blend of gingerbread, tobacco, firewood, and leather scents. And I was going to say that it's very masculine, but very nice at the same time, like almost calming. So that's cute. Okay, we have this little package. Okay, so I'm not sure what this is yet. And that's what the dish looks like. All right. Ceramic dish with Yule log raw incense cones. For those of you who can't make and burn a big Yule log, we created this set to be symbolic of the Yule log tradition. On one side of a piece of paper, write things down you want to cleanse from your life in the new year. On the other side of the paper, write things that you wish to attract in the new year. Fold the paper and place it under the ceramic burner. Stand one pine and sage Yule log raw incense cone in the ceramic dish. Visualize your intentions, light the Yule log, blow out the flame to create cleansing smoke, and visualize your intentions being carried into reality on the smoke. They smell wonderful. It smells like a Christmas wreath. And that's what they look like. There's 2 of them. And that is what the dish looks like. All right. Now we have a little box in here. Excuse me, like I said. Getting over some kind of virus. Oh. Oh, now this is cute and pretty. Let me block out the... Isn't that pretty? It's metal. All right. Mini Pentacle Chalice for Saturnalia. I don't know if I'm saying that right. The ancient Rome festival of Saturnalia is all about celebrating joy and fun. Use this mini chalice to house an offering of wine or your favorite drink as a way of honoring Saturnalia in December. So I don't do any of the Roman festival things usually, but this make a nice offering for my goddess because I do give her whiskey once in a while. That will be nice. All right, so what's left in the box is your cards. You get these, it's called the Eclectic Witch Deck, and they give you a card to explain different things for that month. It says, the mulling spices offer a rich tapestry of magical properties that can be harnessed in various ways, making them a powerful tool for witches and practitioners during the colder months and festive seasons. Protection and purification. You would brew a pot of mulled cider or wine to cleanse negative energy from your home. Attracting prosperity. Sip on a warm mulled beverage while focusing on abundance or add spices to spell bottles or bags for prosperity. Enhancing your psychic abilities, star anise and nutmeg are known for boosting psychic powers. Drinking a malt beverage before divination or meditation will heighten your intuition. And then fostering relationships and happiness. Share a malt drink with a loved one or incorporate the spices into rituals to strengthen relationships and happiness. And that is what the card looks like. Saturnalia, the Ancient Rome Festival. I'm not going to read the whole thing. If you want to pause. And then the Yule Cat. And then the Hiding of Brooms. And it goes on to tell you all the lore. So we will add that to my deck. And my deck is really growing. Oh, what just fell? Oh, my candle fell now. So that's fun. Let me see if I can reach this candle. All right, so to go through quickly, candle, chalice, beanie, mulled spice, which is edible, or you can use in rituals, the besom, broom, and the Yule log incense for burning, and then the cards. So, that was our box. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I really enjoy this box. This is the Inked Goddess Creations.com. I'm going to hold this up for you so you can look. There's different subscription boxes. The one I get is the Inked Goddess Creations box. And it's $35 a month. The payment usually comes out anywhere between the 1st and the 3rd. And the box gets here anywhere between the 5th and the 7th of each month. That's been my experience. I don't remember where they ship from, but it's pretty fast shipping. When she sends out your receipt, and then within 24 hours, usually you get your box as shipped, and then however long it takes to get here. So that's that. And I really enjoy these boxes. I'm really glad I got this subscription box because there's a lot of useful items, and I do use them in my daily practice. So there's that. All right. So with that being said, I hope you have a blessed and magical day. Happy Vlogmas Day. It would be day 8, but I think it's my day 5 or 6. 4 or 5 maybe. I don't remember because I was sick. We had a blizzard. It was just a fiasco here for the last couple days. All right. So have a blessed and magical day. Until next time. Bye.